Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red lines are coming from, and definitely want to get things updated here, as once again, it's looking like a showdown is going to attempt to take place. And that showdown is, for those of you that have been watching the videos, you know right where I'm going with this. But this red line right here, which is at 0016. And again, for those of you that have been watching my videos in the past, you probably are getting sick of me talking about 0016. But once again, especially if you're watching level 2s today, you saw that several times the bulls tried to press up through 0016 and just couldn't do it. So for whatever reason, it's kind of a random number to be selling at. But there are sellers that are sitting up there at 0016, and that is certainly the key level of resistance. Again, you can see there, knocked it down, knocked it down right there. There was a little bit of false hope right there. Temporary break above it, but that didn't last very long. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that 0016 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it's a very historic level. It's one that keeps on popping up time and time again, and that is certainly the key level that needs to be broken from a resistance standpoint. And the good news is, though, that the price closed right up at 0016. So assuming there are no gap downs tomorrow, the price can resume the battle with it right away. It doesn't have to, trek upwards and fight through other areas or anything like that. It can immediately begin, doing battle again, assuming, of course, like I said, there are no gap downs. And then on the flip side of things, so yeah, the bears are definitely, showing quite a bit of strength there, but the bulls are also continuing to quietly make progress, and that is in the form of just every time there's a pullback, the bulls just keep getting higher and higher in terms of the lows that they're building. And an easier way to kind of represent that is if you picture each of those as stair steps, and you can see that these stair steps just keep on slowly progressing forward and forward over time. So interesting setup taking place. Grab your popcorn. Maybe tomorrow's finally the day where the price can not only get up above 0016 and stay up above it, but no way to know for sure. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So like I said, grab that popcorn, grab your Sour Patch Kids. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.